Welcome to Education Hub. In this video, we will learn about the for loop in Python. For loop, it is used to iterate over a sequence or other iterable objects. Iterating over a sequence is called traversal. Let's take an example. Print all items in the list one by one. In this example, there are 3 items in the list. For X in this list, print X. Run it. It will print all the items in the list one by one. Another program to print the table of the given number. Enter the number to print the table. For I in range 1, 11. Print n into I. If the number is n equal to 7, here it will print 7 into 1, 7 into 2 up to 7 into 10, that is 70. So it will print the table of the given number. Next program to print the sum of the given number. Here list contains 6 items. Initialize sum equal to 0. For I in list sum equal to sum plus I, print sum. Run it. It will print the sum, that is 183. Now next program, that is break. Break statement. With the break statement, we can stop the loop before it has looped through all the items. Here list contains 3 items. For X in fruits, print X. If X equal to banana, break. Run it. It will print apple, banana. Exit the loop when X is banana. So it will print apple and banana. Exit the loop where X is banana, but this time the break comes before the print. So it will print only apple. Next, continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration of the loop and continue with the next. Let's take example. Here is the list. Contains 3 items. For X in fruits, if X equal to banana, continue. Print X. It will print apple, cherry. Don't print banana. Here if X equal to banana, continue. So it does not print banana, it will print apple, cherry. Next, range function. To loop through a set of code a specified number of times, we can use the range function. Range function is used to generate the sequence of the numbers. Program to print numbers in sequence. For I in range 10, print I and equal to. It will print 0 to 9. Program to print even number using step size in range. The syntax of range function is range start, stop, step size. Start represent the beginning of the iteration. Stop represent that the loop will iterate till stop -1. And step size, it is used to skip the specific number from the iteration. Here 2 is the start, n stop and 2 step size. And enter the number. For I in range 2 and 2. 2 start and stop, step size. here 2. Print I. Enter the number 18. It will print the even number using step size in range. We can also use the range function with sequence of number. The len function is combined with range function, which iterate through a sequence using indexing. Consider the following example. Here is the list. It contains 4 items. For I in range, len list. Print hello list I. Run it. It will print hello Raj, hello Ram, hello Ricky and hello Dev. Using the range function, simply print for x in range 6, print x. Range 6 is not the value of 0 to 6, but the value is 0 to 5. So it will print 0 up to 5. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using the start parameter, for x in range 2, 6, colon, print x. It will print 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible to specify the increment value by adding a third parameter, that is range 2, 30, 3. In run it, it will increment the sequence with 3. Else in for loop. The else keyword in a for loop specifies a block of code to be executed when the loop is finished. Print all number 1 to 5 and print a message when the loop has ended. For x in range 6, print x, else print finally finished. It will print 0 to 5 and also print finally finished. Nested loop is a loop inside a loop. Program to number pyramid. Enter the number of rows. For I in range 0, row plus 1. For j in range I, print I and equal to and then print. Here the inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration of the outer loop. Run it, enter the rows 4. Then it will print the number pyramid.